Alright. I thank you for arriving to our Super Dragon Ball Heroes how to draw episode. And tonight we'll be starting off from chapter 1, an anomaly, the Saiyan strike. And this time we're gonna draw Super Saiyan Dragon Ball Z Kai Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta. Yeah, I've been wanting to draw this guy ever since we went to that restaurant last year. And I've waited a long time, and now it seems like a good time to do this. Okay, first we start with the head. Then we start off with the Super Saiyan 3 eyes. Now we start with the hair. Okay. I'll get to it in a minute. Alright, and now we just draw the collar. Then we just draw this piece down here. Here's the suit. Now we draw the tail that's surrounding him, like it's his belt. Here's the belt. There we go. Now we draw the rest of his gloves. It's big. Now we just draw this mark here. There we go. There. Lastly, anyway, that's about it. That's how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Dragon Ball Z Kai Vegeta. And well, if I found out that if this guy had the ability to turn Super Saiyan 3 and Dragon Ball Z Kai, that would be awesome, even in the future. I mean, Vegeta even learned it in Super Saiyan 3 when he was facing off against Kid Buu. Even Vegeta can transform into that. Anyway, that's how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta, Super Saiyan 3 Dragon Ball Z Kai. I've gotta get this thing right.